Did you know that your body functions, your mood, immune system, mental health, endocrine disorders, and skin conditions are all related to your gut health? Having bad gut health can manifest in uncomfortable symptoms such as migraines, mood issues, weight changes, food cravings, and the more obvious consequences such as constipation, bloating, and diarrhea. Welcome to Healthfully For You. Today, we're talking you through 7 steps to better gut health. Let's get that gut back on track. 7. Indulge in chocolate. Not just any chocolate, but dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, along with foods such as berries, apples, grape skins, almonds, onions, broccoli, and green tea all share these powerful plant-based molecules called polyphenols and fiber, both of which are hard for your intestines to digest. Polyphenols can be found in plants as naturally occurring compounds. Only 5% of them are absorbed in the small intestine. The rest? They head towards your large bowel where your gut bacteria breaks them down. Their presence helps grow good bacteria and slow down harmful bacteria from growing, which leads to a nice, diverse healthy microbiome. The result is that they travel deeper to your gut where they are metabolized and fermented by microbes, which then produces anti-inflammatory chemicals. 6. Helpful drinks. Having better gut health isn't dependent on just changing your diet. Adding a delicious drink to your routine even just once a day will yield impressive results. A drink that actively does wonders for you is ginger tea. Just before or even during a particularly big meal, have a cup of warm ginger tea. Get ready for no more heartburn, no more stomach aches, and say goodbye to indigestion. Ginger tea stimulates your saliva flow, gastric juice, and bile production, which works on jump-starting the breakdown of your food as you eat it. Peppermint tea yields the same results. It even helps treat irritable bowel syndrome. Other effective teas include fennel tea, which is packed full of fiber that relieves constipation, and lemongrass tea. Now let's take a moment to appreciate lemongrass tea. Used in ancient Chinese medicine as a natural remedy, not only is it delightfully delicious, but it relieves stomach issues such as constipation and bloating. And since it's free of caffeine, you can have it before bedtime or after dinner. Not a fan of tea? Here are a few alternatives. Did you know that your morning coffee is more than just an energy booster? Coffee stimulates your digestive tract. Moderate amounts of it are healthy for you since it functions as a laxative. And finally, the ultimate weapon against bad gut health. Believe it or not, it's water. There is nothing water can't do. It's the digestive aid provided by nature. Every single cell in your gut that lines your digestive tract contains water, so it makes sense that you need more than 8 cups of water a day to keep those cells functioning properly. 5. Eat more fermented foods. Do kombucha and tempeh have some health to them other than being the latest trends? Surprisingly, yes. While yogurt is the most famous fermented food, and it's wonderful for your gut health, there is an entire buffet's worth of fermented foods that can dramatically improve your health. The unique thing fermented foods have in abundance is a bunch of good bacteria. These foods contain high counts of lactobacilli bacteria, which is incredibly beneficial for you. It's this bacteria that converts sugar to acids and alcohol. The process of fermentation itself produces antioxidants, vitamins, and molecules that are known to lower inflammation and blood pressure. So what are some delicious fermented foods you can try? Other than normal, plain yogurt, you can experiment with kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, tempeh, and kombucha. 4. Add more whole grains to your diet. It's a low-carb world that we live in. On their mission to control their weight, people either cut down on or skip whole grains altogether, but they're pushing off foods that are actually benefiting them. Whole grain foods and whole cereal grains such as oats, quinoa, wheat, and barley contain a gold mine by the name of fiber. And according to experts, cereal fiber is worlds different from bean fiber or even vegetable fiber. See, whole grains contain dietary fiber that particularly can't be broken down by your intestine. This fiber is known as a prebiotic, and it helps feed, grow, and sustain healthy bacteria. The fiber makes its way to your colon, still intact, where it's consumed by the healthy bacteria there and boosts their population. They also result in an increase in microbial diversity. When you enjoy a delicious oat breakfast and some quinoa salad, the probiotics join the 100 trillion plus bacteria and microorganisms in your digestive tract. And hey, if it helps decrease inflammation, then at least giving this step a try may be worth it. 3. Spice things up. The spice in sugar spice, and everything nice has some truth to it. Maybe you won't get superhuman strength, but you'll have an enviably healthy gut, and that's just as precious. Changing the spices in your diet may just be the answer to all your questions. Most of them are probably already in your spice cabinet. It's time to make your food stop working against you and make it work for your gut. Simple, easy to acquire, and cook with spices such as garlic, ginger, and oregano don't just add a powerful kick to your meals, but they actually have incredibly powerful antibacterial chemicals. They won't affect your good bacteria, but they're one of your bad bacteria's most powerful enemies. For example, oregano, which has been used since the days of ancient Greece, has been spicing up many vegetable dishes, sauces, and marinades. Even back then, ancient Greeks knew that oregano helped fix gastrointestinal problems. What oregano has is an active ingredient called carvacrol. And carvacrol is in charge of oregano's many antimicrobial properties, which attack bad bacteria. If you like a little kick to your chicken without suffering from the consequence after, then cayenne is the answer. Cayenne is hotter than jalapeno and cooler than habanero on the heat scale, and while it adds flavor, it wakes up your taste buds, which then stimulates saliva production. As it makes its way down your digestive tract, it affects three more things: bile secretion from your liver and gallbladder, hydrochloric acid secretion in your stomach, and pancreatic enzyme from the pancreas into the small intestines. What all of this results in is better digestion. Simple, delicious spices such as cinnamon are known to wield powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 2. Let's talk vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are one of your most powerful allies against bad bacteria. Vitamins can find them in abundance in leafy greens, meat, dairy products, and fatty fish. But which vitamins in particular improve your gut health and where to look for them? For starters, B vitamins are known for ensuring your stomach and intestine work properly. They help your body create much-needed red blood cells and gain energy from food. Then a vitamin like vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, prompts proper digestion, and more. It even results in healthier teeth and gums. All because of its antioxidant properties. You can take vitamin C in the form of supplements, or you can find them in foods such as tasty strawberries, delicious citrus fruits, and vegetables such as broccoli and peppers. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, aids your nerve, muscle, and immune system function, and has even been found to reduce the risk of colon cancer. A selenium deficiency can lead to a higher risk of bowel diseases and increase inflammation and stress. This mineral alone plays a critical role in your metabolism. It lowers oxidative stress in the body, which in turn reduces inflammation and enhances your immunity. You can find it in everyday food. If not, increase selenium-rich foods such as seafood such tuna, oysters, shrimp, or muscle meats like chicken, beef, pork, oyster, and tofu. Brazil nuts are also high in selenium. And then we have zinc and magnesium. Did you know that even a mild deficiency in zinc can decrease digestive enzyme production, which increases the odds of a leaky gut? And did you know that without magnesium, the good bacteria in your gut is exposed to harm and can negatively affect your blood sugar levels? You can find zinc in foods like oysters, liver, lamb, tofu, almonds, soy nuts, and cooked beans. Beans also have essential amounts of magnesium, as well as certain types of seafood like crab and lobster. The same goes for whole grains and dairy products. 1. Don't ignore your dental health. All the previous steps have been about what to eat and drink, but how about one final step that most people ignore? Did you know that your dental health dramatically affects your gut health? But it's all connected. A lot of studies, including ones that were conducted by the Swedish University of Gothenburg and Cornell University in the US, prove that inadequate oral hygiene leads to harmful forms of bacteria growing inside your mouth. They then make their way into your bloodstream and your gut, which affects the balance in your gut bacteria. All it takes is regular brushing and flossing to stop those harmful microbes, and that's a wrap for 7 steps for better gut health. What did you think of these steps? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to Healthfully For You and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.